Hello student. Now today in this session of class 12 business studies, we will be going to discuss about the concept that is related with the process of motivation. It is said that motivation is directly associated with the needs. Okay. So the seniors, they try to find out the needs of the subordinate, and then they give this assurance to the subordinate that their needs will be fulfilled if they will work properly and if they will achieve the desired results for the organization. And when these things are taking place, the subordinates are properly motivated. But it is said that human needs are endless, the needs never end. So if we have to satisfy some needs, then we have to do some work, then we have to take some action, and then only we will be getting the desired result, that whatever needs we have to satisfy, we will be finding the ways for satisfying those needs, and then we will start working, and when we will start working on those ways and method, then we will see that we will be achieving the rewards for that, and with the help of those rewards or compensation we can satisfy our needs. So there is a particular process. So let us discuss this process by presenting a draft for you. In the process of motivation, the very first thing that is need. Okay. The first thing that you should realize that this thing is needed. Okay. So when you realize this thing, that a particular thing is needed by you, let's say you are hungry. So hunger is a type of need for you. So when you are hungry, what you will do? Your hunger will result in what? Now definitely, in order to fulfill your hungriness, you have to think that how you will be fulfilling that thing. Because now you need it, you need something to eat. Then only your hunger will be fulfilled. So now it becomes your want. That is the desperation. That now you need something to eat, then only you will see this thing that you are satisfied. So it gives the rise to tension. Now it gives a rise to tension. And tension is the process where you start thinking that how you will be able to fulfill this thing and how you will be able to find out the solution, that you will be now preparing the food to remove your hunger. So this gives the rise to tension, and tension, it encourages you to take some action. So it results in the action. So the tension encourages you to take some action. And the actions are related with the various ways and means through which you can fulfill your hunger. Okay? You will start earning the money for that thing, then after earning the money, then you will get the food for you. So these all things which have given you some tension, so you have started working for that thing. Then comes action. So whatever actions you have done, you have started earning the money, you have thought of earning the money, and with that money you have got all the things which will be needed by you for satisfying your hunger. Then it fetches you the compensation. What compensations you are getting? When you have started taking the action, when you have started working for satisfying your need of hunger. So the compensation what you get, that you get the money, and when you are getting the money by doing the desired activities, you have purchased the various type of food articles for you. So whatever compensation you got, that is in the form of food articles which were needed by you for removing your hunger. And then it brings you a satisfaction. After getting those compensation, now you have consumed those things, and when you have consumed those things, so it satisfied one of your need. Okay, so now you are not hungry. Okay, you have satisfied your need of hunger, and you have made the arrangement of the food for you. So this is a process. Okay, motivation process. So in motivation, what is being said, that need and motivation are directly associated with each other. Unless and until you realize the need of something and that need is being converted into wants, that means desperately now you need that thing, and when that want is there, so it has given the rise to tension. Unless and until there is a tension in your mind that you have to get this thing which is needed by you now, which thing has been made as a want for you, so you will not be worried about this thing unless and until you get this tension that definitely now you want this thing. So that tension has made you to act on that thing, that how you will be getting all these things. So you have started working for that, you have started taking certain actions, you have started for thinking of earning the money and getting those food articles for you, and finally what it fetches when you have started taking the action लेने के बाद आपने देखा आपने कमाई कर ली, और आपने कमाई कर ली तो आपने वो फूड आर्टिकल्स भी ले लिए जिनसे आपकी भूख मिटेगी, and then it brings you a satisfaction. Now you are satisfied that one of your need is being fulfilled. So this is the overall process of motivation. Hope you have understood this thing, that how motivation works. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.